So you might be in a situation where for some reason WhatsApp just keeps randomly downloading the photos and videos that you're saving, or that maybe whenever you're opening up, it's automatically downloading them onto your photo gallery application, and you might want to stop this. Now to do this, what you're going to want to do is you want to make your way over into your WhatsApp application. So open up WhatsApp and you want to make your way over into your settings tab. Let's go to the bottom and click on settings. This is in the bottom right corner right there. And when you tap on settings, what you're going to want to do is you want to go and click on this little option here that says storage and data. So right here is all you're going to want to click on. So just tap on storage and data right there. And then what you're going to want to do, you'll see a lot of things come up. But what we want to look out for right here is media auto download. So what we want to do here is we want to click on photos. So start on photos, and you can change this from Wi-Fi and cellular to Wi-Fi to never. So if you never wanted to auto download, tap there. If you want a Wi-Fi cellular, you can modify that way. Now hopping back out, you can also change these things to audio. So if people are sending you audio messages, you can also change this whichever way you want to go change it to. And video. So you can also do that here. You can change your video from never being on to Wi-Fi and cellular. So you can change those whichever way you want to, but that's basically how you do it. So from there, whenever you get sent something, it's not going to automatically download to your camera roll. And that's basically how you do it for the most part. If you have any other thoughts or questions, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.